Hey Bellas, it's Alex and Janelle. Welcome to your September unboxing. As you can see, we are getting into the spring theme. We still haven't quite shaken off our knits, but we're amongst all these beautiful, beautiful floral arrangements.
And this month our theme is Spring Shake-Up. This is all about changing up your beauty routine for the changing of the seasons and just really trying to shake off that winter feeling. This month you guys would have seen in our sneak peek that you will be getting Tarte, and in collaboration with them we did a sleeve for you guys, and we hope that you guys love it. Let's get right into it.
So on that note, as you would have known, you will be receiving one of these two gorgeous Tarte lip paints. So I'm wearing the color Bestie and Janelle is wearing Vibin. And as you can see, they're both colors that are so transferable for any skin tone, any lip shape. I think they both really suit everyone that I've seen them on so far.
Definitely.
And they're so wearable as well for every day.
Yes.
So my favorite thing about these ones is they're quick dry, full coverage, transfer proof and long wearing. And they're super easy to apply. I even did this without looking in the mirror, so hopefully it's all right. All you have to do is scrub your lips a little just to make sure that there's no dead skin or any kind of residue on there. Use the really beautifully shaped lip wand to line the outside of your lips and then fill them in and kiss-proof lips.
You're ready.
So hopefully you guys got to choose which shade that you wanted, but if not, pray to the BB gods that you get what you want, I guess.
Exactly. And don't worry, there will be a tutorial on how to properly apply these Tarte lip paints, so just keep an eye out on our socials for that. Sticking with the lip trend, we have the Burt's Bees Moisturizing Lip Balm, which everyone will be receiving. You'll either be getting it in strawberry or wild cherry, and what's great about these is that they're 100% natural, paraben-free, and just all around really good for your lips. Another thing that we wanted you Bellas to know is that in around 4 weeks time, these will be available in Kohl's in variations like vanilla, beeswax, ultra conditioning, and I think pomegranate. So we know you guys will love this one, and if you want to go out and get more and try more, then you can go to Kohl's soon.
I have so many scents of them.
I know. It's just
can't get
everywhere.
enough. So the next product I have for you guys is from our good friends in the Korean skincare world, Vitae Mask. So some of you would have tried the sheet masks before, and some of you will be trying this one, different scents though, but I also have the sleep-in masks, which are so gorgeous.
They're super cute.
So this one is a little avocado, this one is a shell, and they have the little ingredients inside the back of them, which is so gorgeous. So these ones are perfect for moisturizing, conditioning, and just making your skin look gorgeous and radiant. So I can't wait to hear what you guys think of these.
Yes. Our next cosmetic item, which some of you Bellas will be receiving, is the Pur Fully Charged Mascara. This is powered by magnetic technology, so it'll really grab onto your lashes. It's good for separation, lengthening, and it'll just give you that full lash look that we always want.
I don't know if you can see, but I'm actually wearing it at the moment.
It looks beautiful.
I love this one.
Yes, it's great.
And it's going to be available in Maya, so keep a lookout for it. So the next product I have for you guys is a range of different products from our friends at Avodia. I know you guys love when we sample things from Avodia, so we wanted to do a little bit more of a range for you this time. So we have their hand and body wash, which is a full size and comes in gorgeous scents like Victoria Rose and Whitsundays Coconut and Lime, is it? And then we have their body mists as well.
And the hand
and the hand creams. So Avodia is such a gorgeous Australian brand. They're available on their website and also from selected pharmacies. So I can't wait to hear what you guys think of these.
Yes, they smell delicious as well.
Amazing.
Our next product is by Neutrogena Naturals, and you guys would have sampled either the scrub or the moisturizer in our June box. So this month we have the Purifying Facial Cleanser. This will gently wash off the impurities and any other grime from the day, and it will leave you with fresh, clear looking skin. So let us know how this works out for you guys. It's also in a full size, so it's really generous, and we hope you love it.
I love how effective Neutrogena is.
Yep.
And I love that it's natural.
Yes.
Even better.
Even better.
So the next product I have for you guys is from the cult pore brand Biore. So Biore is the king of the peel off nose strip. These ones are a new one from them, and this is a full-size product. So you'll be getting 6 deep cleansing charcoal pore strips. So these are very similar to their usual pore strips, except they have the added bonus of charcoal in it, which really detoxifies and gets all those yucky kind of pores and dirt, oil and blackheads out from your skin.
Yes.
So I can't wait to hear what you guys think of these. There is 6 of them in here, so you get a really, really good try just to know if you love it. As I said, these are a new one from them, so I'm really keen to hear what you guys think.
Great. Our next product is by one of our love brands here at Bellabox, and it is by Palmer's. It's their moisturizing day cream, and this actually has SPF 15, so it'll be great for when the sun finally comes out and
when
it's summer. So this will hydrate, balance, and protect your skin. So what else can you really want from moisturizer?
Perfect to wear under your foundation if your foundation doesn't have any SPF in it.
Yes, true.
So the next one that is a little treat for all of our blonde bellas. Janelle and I unfortunately won't be receiving this one. So this is from Schwarzkopf. This is a color radiance and gloss silver toner. So this is perfect for all of our blonde bellas. Really gets rid of that yellowy gold tones in your hair and just really makes it beautiful and radiant and glossy. So really excited to hear what you guys think of this.
Awesome. To round this up, we have our bonus. These are by Nature Common Sense, and you'll either be receiving it in goat's milk and oatmeal, or just goat's milk. These body washes are really great because it's good for all types of skin, especially sensitive skin. It's nourishing and it can really help exfoliate your skin. So we're excited for you guys to get your hands on these.
So there you have it, Bellas. That is our wrap up for the Spring Shake Up September box. We hope you're really excited to receive all of these products. We know we're excited to hear what you guys think of them. Yeah. And if you haven't signed up and you want to become a member, all you have to do is click the link and subscribe.
Let us know what you guys think and what you're excited about in the comments below, and we can't wait to see you guys in next month.
Thanks so much, guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye.